Then turn one is an hairpin where the speed is quite slow, so there is a very hard braking point, and it's an area where there is a possibility to overtake some other cars. Going into turn two is another hairpin, a little bit open than turn one. There you need to be smooth, especially because the exit of the turn two, there is all the left-hand corner where the car, the tendency of the car is to go in oversteering. And braking for turn 4, it's quite difficult because you need to brake in the, not in a straight line, but with the front wheels a bit to the left. And the car, the tendency of the car is to go in oversteering. It's another very important place because we go into the back straight. Yesterday I reached at the end of the straight over 220 kilometers an hour, but I'm sure with a proper racing car you can reach over 250 to 60, and maybe with a Formula 1 car even 300. There is another place where you find another hairpin with a chicane, and in turn 7 here is a very nice corner. The car, it's very difficult to drive because the speed is quite high, and the tendency is to sliding with the four wheels. Going to turn 8 and turn 9, there is another chicane. Here you can cut quite a lot, turn 8 and turn 9, and you need to be smooth. And approaching for the 10-10, it's important to be smooth and take a shape like a V, because it's important to go around to turn 11, which is so difficult. Yesterday in the dry condition it was nearly impossible to be flat in this area, and especially today with the rain condition it was impossible. So approaching the last part of the circuit, we have another hairpin, and then we're going to turn 13 and 14. It's a left-hand corner. The most important place of the circuit is for sure the turn 15 and turn 16, where you get in the start-finish line, and there you need to be quite smooth. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So as you can see, this is the pit exit of the BALATON PARK Circuit. We have the white lines that of course we have to respect. So we're gonna keep the right hand side in the exit. We are approaching the first corner. It's a right hand corner. As you can see, it's very wet, standing water. So nice and easy, guys, nice and easy. Copy paste my lines. This left hand corner is a late apex. Then we go all the way to the right in the exit. Then we keep the center of the track. We enter a braking gate. You see the beacons. This is a braking reference. Then we have another late apex left-hand corner. A very long straight, but be aware there's a lot of standing water, so nice and easy. Then we move to the left. And at the end of the straight, we have another braking point. That's under braking you can also shift down with the left paddle shift if you wish. And then we have some medium speed S's, where we have to find a compromise with the lines to get a good line in the last right hand corner. All the way to the left in the exit. Go back to the right. Here is another braking point. and we have to really slow down for the slow chicane. Left and right. Then we go back to the right in the exit. So we are now approaching the left-hand corner. Again, it's a late apex, nice and smooth on the power of the exit. We accelerate a little bit. As you can see, there's a very, very fast left-hand corner where we need to keep the left at the end where you see the curve, and then we also need to start braking. Because then we have a very slow chicane. So you can imagine in a very fast lap, this is going to be a challenging corner. Let the car go to the right here, another braking point, slow down, entering the last corner. So this is the last corner before the finish line straight. Braking point, the end of the straight. And now you can see we are at the first corner. Now we are approaching it with the proper line. In the exit we need to keep the center of the track because we need to get a good line for the next corner. We need just a little bit more distance for the first 2-3 cars, please. Just a little bit more distance.
You also have driven on Pannonian and Hungaroring, well?
Hungaroring, yes.
Yeah. And compared to Hungaroring, this one is way much faster.
Yeah, it's a lot faster, yeah. Now you can see this corner. Keep the car on the dry line and then we move to the left at the end.